Back in action, we back in the action, boys. Now, I have to start off this video with a little bit of a confession. Something that I'm not really stoked to say. And honestly, I'm gonna say it real quick. I have failed myself. I have failed what I personally believe is right. And more importantly, I failed you guys. Now, let's take it back for a second, man. Yesterday, I filmed a video. You know, it started off kind of shaky. I had just gotten in a fight with my roommate about filming in my own room, in my own house. Apparently, when they're home, they don't want me filming in there because I'm saying some shit that's offensive. Of course, knowing NameBran, I fought back. You know what I'm saying? I fought back real hard, roll the clip. Yo, hey, give me a fucking handful of Selena Gomez pussy juice, I'll suck that shit up. Fucking, yeah, it was fucking boss of me, right? So anyway, I felt pretty good after that. I felt like I would fucking pwned her. You know what I'm saying? I fucking noobed that bitch. Got through my video, really dope video, I dug it. And then the worst happened. I turned off my camera, I walked out of my room, and I got in another altercation. This fucking lighting's pissing me off. So anyway, after that video yesterday, I walked out of the room, and they were standing right there. They threatened to call the police on me for making some snide remarks that meant bullying. Now, I'm usually one to fight back even more to that. However, I can't have the cops called on me right now because I'm in some shit already, and I'm probably gonna go to jail if any other calls get called on me. So, long story short, we're filming in the car today is the point that I'm trying to make. The whole thing yesterday was I was fighting back on filming in my own room, and today I take the L, and I apologize for that. However, we're still gonna make a dope video, man. I'm wearing the Brazzer shirt. I can say whatever the fuck I want, and I can also wear whatever the fuck I want. The NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Don't let anyone ever push you around. I hate to be an example of that right now. However, look out for the video in the future when we get the ultimate revenge. Yeah, we filmed the room with dildos, boys, and we're lighting it on fire. I just gotta wait for my other court orders to settle before that. Anyway, man, we're gonna get into the video real quick. First off, I actually want to show you guys something that I made that was kind of cool. This is my second car, by the way. I drive this piece of shit when I'm just filming, but generally I have my Lamborghini. I did this the other day, which is really dope. It's the Supreme logo on my Mitsubishi Lancer's wheel. So leave a like down below if y'all think that's fucking sick. But anyway, man, once again, getting into it, we're gonna give away another shirt today. I'm gonna take a break from that after this video because I need to find other ways of shipping because it's been kind of expensive. However, one more shirt will be given out today, and that's it for a little while until, once again, I figure this out. So all you guys gotta do is leave a thumbs up down below, comment on this video, something positive would be dope. Also, follow the Instagram for a bonus, and of course, notification fam, you gotta hit the bell. Now we get into it. So this is actually another segment of our series of NameBran gets really high one night and a little bit of drunkenness happens and I create something fucking retarded with materials we found off the Wish app. Now we've done this in the past actually, and I brought it with me, my Xbox One, where we've taken a household item and we spent $10 on materials to make something look really dope. So I actually did a little spin-off today because I was looking through all my old electronics. Honestly, I don't play video games anymore because I just get super distracted and I actually will never film videos ever again if I focus on video games like I used to. World of Warcraft used to be my shit, by the way. So I've got a room full of consoles. Literally I have like 4 or 5 from brand deals, and I thought we'd create another video, but this time of a PS4, I think it is. I don't even know what one this is. Once again, I haven't played video games in years. I just get these fucking consoles and I do whatever the fuck with them. Anyway, man, so I built this PS4 today with like materials, once again, from Wish. However, it's not done yet. I want to let you guys know, when I make any custom items that I do, I graduated college for graphic design. I always do mock-ups online. So what you guys saw in the thumbnail, if you guys want to go check that out again, do it, is actually the finished product. However, I had this video scheduled for today and all the decals did not come in, but this is what we have so far, and I will give you guys a little bit of an update. This is $3 spent on it so far in this video, but what I took is a black PS4, and then I put the red vinyl on it. I put a Supreme sticker right here. I put white vinyl on it right here and red vinyl on it right here. Now I know a lot of you guys are thinking like, man, it looks probably better in the thumbnail, or you guys let me know if it looks better just plain like this. But I really wanted to show this to you guys because, once again, you guys know I'm very creative. My mom is an artist, and I want to like get through your guys' head is people are like trying to spend fucking $10,000 on Gucci, no shots, but still shots, that we're trying to teach kids to spend all this fucking money when you can literally take a household item and make it dope. It doesn't have to be necessarily fake. I wouldn't say this is a fake Supreme PS4 because they've never made one, but if you guys want to customize shit for real cheap, and I always get in this fucking rant on these videos, you can literally do it. Do not listen to the fucking hypebeast douchebags on the internet. Most of them are my friends. However, it is fun to watch, but I'm trying to give you something a little bit different. Anyway, man, this is what we created today. It's gonna be a very short video, and I'm gonna make another video or post on Instagram if you want to see my Instagram of the finished product. Now we're just gonna take it outside the car for a second. I hope it's not too windy, but I just want to show you guys exactly how it looks in this type of color because the coloring in my car is fucked up. Fucking shit! I got fucking scratches all over it. A piece broke off. I don't even know where I threw that. Anyway, that's the video. I guess we're not getting it to 10 minutes today. That's what I created. Fuck that machine. We out. I don't even have a key. And we're back. I had to change a heart for a second. I've realized that my monetization has gone down because I'm very, we're just gonna chill with NameBran right now. Let's go.
It's time for chilling with NameBran.
Chilling with NameBran, uncut, uncircumcised. If you have not heard about how this works, we do not cut any footage in this part of the video for my editing pleasure, my viewing pleasure, and I get this video to 10 minutes. Now, what I was just saying is I need the money for this video. I do a lot with brand deals, but I need to start making more off YouTube is my goal. However, you guys know I'm very, I'm kind of a fucking asshole when it comes to listening to rules, and I feel like censoring myself won't make myself be me as much on videos, and it won't be, I don't know, I think that shit's entertaining. So anyway, we're gonna take this to 10 minutes now. Also, I hope you guys appreciate, I'm gonna be smoking a cigarette. I'm very, very stressed today. I'm trying to quit, and you guys are very worried about that. I am trying to quit. I just, I'm doing like one a day now, which is crazy. I was up to like a pack a day, so just bear with me on that. Usually I have a drink. I don't have a drink. So I'm gonna smoke a cigar with you guys. I'd smoke weed with y'all, but I got too much to do today. I usually only smoke weed once I've done everything in a day. But I do not condone any of that. I never condone smoking cigarettes, ever, ever, ever. Never even try it. I have such an addictive personality, as y'all could tell, with being literally addicted to, you know what it is? I'm just getting on tangents first now. But first off, with getting addicted to Supreme and sneakers and clothing and all that. But the thing is, a lot of people ask me how people get successful on YouTube. I'm just going off in weird tangents. We'll get through some other topics. And actually, if you guys make it to, farther in this video, that'll be the actual shirt giveaway, because I want the people that actually watch Chill with NameBran to get the best chance of getting merch. So if you guys are still watching, I'll give it away at one point. I'll give you guys a word to say or something. But a lot of people ask how you get successful with YouTube. Now, I think when you look at a lot of YouTubers, I hate to be smoking in front of you guys, I'm sorry, I probably shouldn't do that, but this is me chilling with NameBran. If you guys want me actual real and not yelling and shit, this is how I am. You look at a lot of YouTubers that are killing it, and a lot of YouTubers that are killing it are fucking, you can tell they have a lot of obsessive compulsive, if you want to call it. I'm diagnosed with OCD, you know. I'm open with everything I have. Tourette's, depression, OCD, ADHD, fucking name it, I probably have it. You look at a lot of those people, and you do need to have some sort of sense of obsession with things. Now, I'm not saying that's good or bad. However, if you can really focus your energy into something fully, you know what I'm saying, into something and just give it your all, you're probably going to succeed in it. And that's what you'll see with a lot of YouTubers. I know I chill with Kais quite a bit, at least twice a month. He's very obsessive about his editing and his videos, and that's why he kills it. Tony D, Bull, you know, Blazendary. I know I knocked him earlier, but I don't actually mean to knock it. I'm just trying to state how I'm trying to be different from the people. But a lot of those people have this obsessive personality in terms of what they're trying to reach in life and what their goals are going to be and what goals they want to make happen. So I don't know what got me on this tangent, to be honest, but yeah, a lot of people ask me that question. I think I brought it up by me being obsessive about shit. But if you guys are trying to kill it with anything in life, especially YouTube, you just look at the people who are actually killing it, and they just fucking give it their all. Now, one thing that I have that I need to work on is I'll give it my all and ignore every other responsibility that I have. Like, I just fucking, I'm gonna lose my license in like 3 days or whatever, because I've just neglected to take the tests that I need to, because I got in a bunch of accidents when I was filming in the car. So there is downfalls to it. You have to learn how to balance, but you, I don't know, man, just kill it. Also, I did want to bring up the topic, and this was kind of on my rant earlier, of how I was saying about like people being like, oh, money oriented, which is really what the series comes down to. It's about you do not need to have a lot of money to make something dope. You don't gotta customize anything if you don't want to. It's just kind of an example of what you can do in life by being not cheap, but just by not focusing on the money as much. Now, I would be stupid to say that money does not bring a happier life. It's proven. It's proven that people suffer a lot more depression in life when they're not getting enough money to pay the bills and shit like that. That's proven. Who doesn't want to have money? It's not everything though, and I feel like, and I've had my faults with preaching this, I feel like it's not something that we need to be preaching to kids, especially with this demographic. A lot of y'all are very fucking young, and I think a lot of times with these sneaker haul videos and the Supreme haul videos, I think we're preaching the type of shit that we don't need to be preaching as much as other things that we could be preaching. And I always kind of fall back on that sometimes, you know, because it's an easy way out. I got the money for it. You know, I always complain about not making money through YouTube, but brand deals pay like a motherfucker. It's ridiculous. So it's not that. I lost my fucking, I always lose my train of thought because my mind's going 1,000 miles per hour. I feel like fucking Fousey Tube right now. Nice dude, by the way. Fucking kind of ridiculous right now, but nice dude. But yeah, what I'm coming back to is, what do you guys really want to see on the channel? Not even that. Do you guys appreciate what I try to do in terms of showing you guys? And I hate doing the fake videos, you know what I'm saying? But people dig those. That's not for me. I'm not one to buy that fake shit, you know, because I can afford the real shit. But I do this for people that don't have a lot of money, and I'm not trying to preach, oh, buying all this shit all the time. I'm trying to let you guys relate and see somebody who maybe does have a little bit of money, trying to relate back to you guys and show you guys the real way of, hey man, who gives a fuck? Do I promote fake sneakers? I don't, because I have to say that I don't. I wouldn't wear them, but if you wear them, I don't give a fuck. I think it's funny, actually. If you guys watch me at sneaker cons, I'm always wearing fake sneakers. I don't give a shit. I actually wear them sometimes in public, because I get recognized enough where, like, it comes down to an ego thing, where I get recognized enough where I feel like I could be wearing these, and I don't feel like a loser about it, like a lot of people will. And some people will just be like, oh, it's just fucking NameBran, like, he's just fucking fooling around or whatever. Probably not even. I buy enough fake shit where I think that's everything. This is like my preaching session right now. This thing's not even lit anymore. Yeah, man. I hope you guys dig chilling with NameBran. It's really half-assed of me, but I think this is the part of any sort of video that really brings us closer together, because I love to act, or whatever I'm doing. I'm not acting, but I love that persona shit. I love performing. My favorite thing ever is performing. My one goal in life is to be in a dope-ass fucking movie. I want to work my way up to that. That's why I started YouTube at the age of 8 years old, because I wanted to fucking work my way up to acting, and at that age, I realized this was a platform that will build that bridge for me to be able to achieve bigger things. Maybe not in an easier way, but definitely in a way that I figured out how to do. Yeah, man. Anyway, appreciate y'all for listening. NameBran, chill with NameBran's always fucking dope. And yeah, I like getting real with y'all, you know what I'm saying? We don't do it. I'm always gonna perform on camera, but I love having this session. So what I'm asking you guys to do is, one, do you appreciate the videos? I'm trying to show you guys that you don't need a bunch of money, just do some dope shit. Or at least I'm not trying to preach having a lot of money. I guess I'm just doing whatever without trying to preach as much as I can about not spending tons of money. I don't think that's fucking smart. And also, do you guys appreciate chilling with NameBran? I do full videos like this sometimes. Most of the time I'm fucking drunk or high as shit. But this one's just fucking real, and I'm just fucking sober as shit. So you guys let me know. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran Fams, real Sean Merck in the game, the greatest of all time. This video is way, way, way longer than it needs to be. To be honest, I feel like an asshole. Oh, before I forget, to win the shirt, all you guys gotta do, if you made it this far, and do not capitalize anything, do not just say it on its own, or else people will copy you and they might win the shirt without actually getting to this part of the video. I want you to say something with the word "and," but put A-N-D and then a period and continue your sentence. And I'll be looking for that. That just came off the top of my head. I'm fucking idiot for showing you guys where this shit is actually not that dead, but just put it back in my car. I hope it still works after I fucking freaked out. But anyway, good luck. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran Fams, real Sean Merck in the game, the greatest of all time. Blow.